used to work for 17 years in Kuwait. And before Kuwait also, from childhood, right, I used to work in ready-made shops, So the reason I choose to work, to start earning some income, because I've seen my father is struggling in Kuwait. He was a chef actually. So from childhood, I had only one dream. I just want to help him out. I have a dream of growing. I need to make money. You understand that? I want to make my family secure. So all this was there in my head. And that pushed me to be in the first in the job and be in the last in the job. Okay. So, from there, after marriage and all, I start thinking how long I wanted to do this. I have no idea. Every day when I get up morning, I used to ask how long I have to do this. Every single day I remember. So that was hunting somewhere back of my mind, and I believe that attracted this business to my life. Whatever challenges I face in a job, in my corporate career of 17 years, to be very honest, I never felt okay. I felt 50% of that. But that does not mean there was no challenge, there was no difficulties. There was a hell lot of difficulties, there was a hell lot of challenges also, right? But we never felt it's a challenge. Because, somewhere I am sure that I'm going to max out. I was so assured about this, I'm going to reach XYZ place, right? So I was so much believed on next place now, where I wanted to go. Any situation in life, how far you going to stay in that situation or stand and sing a song in the situation, right, will define how long the situation will last in your life. You call it failure, I call it delay. I can't tell you what failure means. Failure is, I believe in this business there is no failure. For me, this business taught me a lot of things, right? Rejection was a learning. And in fact, I could tell you I was a receiver. I used to learn from everybody, right? So I believe in this business, there is no failure. Impossible, according to me. Changed my life and our life today, right? Me and my team and everybody, we live week on to week on, like we live system to system, Sunday, right? Same thing, we live a week on to week on, right? Week on give you a big fuel that to fly more higher actually. 5 days we don't sleep, and that took my belief system and my acceptance in the business and everything so higher you can't even see, right? That higher actually. Nobody can explain a beacon to anybody. Beacon is defined by we only. I understand this actually, right? I become a personality in the beacon. They shaped me, they sharpened me. They made me a believer. And that shape, in fact, I believe helping others. So there is no specific thing how I help my society. I am there for them. And who am I today? I'm a product of Vicon. I don't do anything my team to grow, like pushing them or, telling them or do this, do that, right? Look, I have a dream. If I'm there with the people, and they automatically will grow. I believe on that. Because I don't want he to grow, then I make money. No. I want I to achieve my dream. And these people looking at, they have today in my organization, you see they have people who are bigger than dreamer than me. Then we can't operate from down. We automatically go up only. The only thing I do, I upgrade my life. I look for my dreams. I keep running behind my dreams. I never looking at any problems. I had a sleepless night till today, so they see that every day. When they see that every day, I believe those people who want, those people God who never left their hand, they will definitely follow you. and they will also reach to. And that ultimately become a rhythm, I believe.